Hello over there at Hearn Landscaping Company. Thank you, first of all, for giving us the green light to send this video to you guys. My name is Eddie Medina and I work with BoundleSEO and we're a digital marketing agency. I was told Fred would be the correct person to send this video to. So Fred, I hope you're watching. uh, I was doing some research in your area and I came across your company's website and I decided to contact you. I figured I'll shoot a quick video to give you 3 tips on what you can do to improve your website and beat out your competition online. Now, I don't want to waste too much of your time, so I'll keep this super short. If by the end of this video you are interested in our strategies, please give me a call so we can further chat. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take this video as educational and try it yourself. Just be very careful if you do. All right, let's get into it. The 3 things I like to go over is your content, backlinks, and citations. Fred, I believe your website is not working at this time. When I click on the link inside of Google, this is where it takes me. Wix.com error. Usually I'll compare what you have going behind the scenes of your website to one of your competitors. But for this video, I'll show you what your competitors have and what you can do if you decide to go with a new website. So let's jump in. Looks like this is Design West Landscaping. This is one of your competitors. These guys are in the first page of Google. The first thing I want to go over is text content. Typically, you want to see around 1,500 words of text content. This will, of course, improve relevance to the services you offer and a level of trust inside of Google for a better ranking. In that 1,500 words of content, though, you really want to start inserting keywords organically without stuffing. Stuffing, in other words, is spamming or spam. For example, having keywords all over the page, making it obvious that your intentions are to throw these keywords. But if they're scattered without protocol, that's just going to hurt your website. You really want to avoid that. And also what I mean by keywords is to include, see, for example, landscape design and installation. These are not good keywords because they're not buyer intent. Anyone in the country could search for this and this company will populate into the first page of Google or wherever they are. And that's pretty much just a waste of time. What I mean by keywords is high volume keywords and more specifically buyer intent. For example, a service that you offer, landscaping in Fresno, California, or San Joaquin Valley, something like that in Bay Area, specifically in that area, that's what you want to go for. Let's jump into Ahrefs here. This is what the one of your competitors have going in the background. They have organic traffic of 33. In a monthly, they're receiving 33 people organically jumping into the website. Organic keywords 307. Again, this is a keyword. This is very very important. Referring domains 96. Backlinks 337. The second thing after the text content I like to make you aware of is backlinks. When you think of the web, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another. Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website, a separate website, I should say, that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware, though, that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, this can actually hurt your website. So you might want to be careful on that. Backlinks are your URL meter here. Looks like they have 337 for this amount. They're not getting much of a boost, so the quality of backlinks might not be very good. The DR meter here would be your citations. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. Any one of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information or services to create a new avenue for people to reach them for their services. That's pretty much what a citation is. And again, that would be your DR meter here. Typically, you want to keep these two at a 1-to-1 ratio. It's just good practice in Google's eyes. It'll give you a good boost. But if you follow protocol, you should be able to beat this, guys. And again, unfortunately, I'm not able to see what you have going behind the website. I'm not sure if you do have a separate website. If so, let me know and I could do another quick audit of that website. Just keep in mind though, if a website is lacking keywords, backlinks, and citations, that is not really gaining any boost, that website. So, which of course leads to missing out on opportunities, like calls and leads. Who doesn't want that, right? And again, getting those good keywords can get you way more traffic if you add those backlinks, citation, and keeping these in a 1-to-1 ratio. All right, Fred, if hopefully this has been informative and educational for you. I really hope you got a lot out of this. If you do need more information or have any questions, give me a call, text, or send me an email. We're here for you. Okay. If you are deciding to go with just a website, that's fine, or SEO services, yeah, anything. Let me hear from you. Talk to you soon. Take care.